Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel ABCS preparation site. So guys, this is a chapter 5 of GRE Quant, which is the second part of word problem. For the first part you can check it out description part, and for the previous video also. And now we'll move on to the content. Before that, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the update of any upcoming videos. So now here is our questions. Our first question is 7 years ago the Bob was k times as old as N. If Anne is now 11 years old, what is the Bob's present age in terms of K? See here from question 7 years ago, that is B minus 7. Bob was K times the Anne or age, that is A minus 7. So the Anne age is given here. A is equal to 11 years old. Substitute the value of Anne, K bracket 11 minus 7, that will be B minus 7 is equal to 4k, and B is equal to 4k plus 7. So that's the Bob is our first option. Next question is Gerald bought a used motorcycle for $1,200 and spent $305 repairing it. He then sold the motorcycle for 20% more than the total amount he spent for purchase and repair. So we have to find out for quantity A the final selling price of motorcycle, and quantity B is given $1,800. So what will be the final selling price? So first we have to find out the total spent price, that is $1,200 plus $305, that will become $1,505, and for selling price will be, he sold the motorcycle for 20% more, so the selling price will be 1,505 plus 20% of 1,505, so that will be 1,505 plus 301. Answer will be $1,806. So our quantity A is greater than quantity B, so we will choose option A. Our next question is 2x plus y years ago Roberto was 3x plus y years old. How many years old was Roberto x years ago? So let present age of Roberto is R. So according to the question, first condition, R minus 2x plus y, because it is years ago, ago means we have to minus it, equal to 3x plus y. So R equal to 3x plus y plus 2x plus y, that will be 5x plus 2y. So we have to find out how many years old was Roberto x years ago. So x years ago Roberto, R minus x, that will be 5x plus 2y minus x. Answer will be 4x plus 2y. So our choice will be option second. Next question is Ginny is 7 years older than Roberta. 6 years ago Jenny was twice as old as Roberta. So we have to find out for column A the Roberta's current age, and column B is given already 12 value. So from this, Jenny is 7 years older than Roberta, that is R plus 7. This is our first equation. And from this, Jenny was twice, that is 6 years ago. G minus 6 was twice old as Roberta, that is R minus 6. So for column A we have to find out the Roberta age from equation 1 and 2. Substitute the value of G of equation 1 in equation 2, that will be R plus 7 minus 6 is equal to 2 bracket R minus 6. So R plus 7 minus 6 is equal to 2R minus 12. R plus 1 equal to 2r minus 2l. So 2r minus r is equal to 12 plus 1, and that will be 13. R equal to 13 years. So Roberta current age is 13. So column A is greater than column B, and our answer will be option A. Our next question is, the speed of light is approximately 3 into 10 to the power 5 kilometer per second. For column A, we have to find out the approximate number of kilometer that light can travel in 1 hour. So from question, in 1 second, speed is 3 into 10 to the power 5 kilometer. So we have to find out the number of kilometers that light can travel in 1 hour. So we have to convert the 1 hour into seconds, so that we will get easily. See, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes into 60 seconds. So that will be 3600 seconds. The speed will be 3 into 10 to the power 5 into 3600. That will be 1.08 into 10 to the power 9. So 1.08 10 to the power 9 is greater than 1.08 10 to the power 8. That is, column A is greater than column B. So our option will be answer A. Our next question is, at a certain company, 30% of the male employees and 50% of the female employees have an MBA. If 40% of the employees are female, what percent of the employees do not have an MBA? So now see the question. First we have to analyze. See here condition, 40% of the employees are female. So female are total 40% and male will be 60%. So here given 30% of the male employees have MBA. So for male, MBA percent will be 30% of 60%. So that become 18%. And for female MBA, MBA will be 50% of 40%, and that will be 20%. So now we will find out what percent of the employees do not have MBA. So see here, total MBA percent are 38% of total employees have MBA. Then the remaining will not have an MBA, right? So 100 minus 38 will become 62%. The 62% of employees do not have MBA. So our option will be fourth. Next question is, CAM is 20% taller than B and B is 20% taller than N. So for column A, we have to find out CAM's height minus B height and B height minus N height. That is C minus A, that is C minus B and B minus A. So from question, see here, C is 20% taller than, that become B plus 20% of B, that will be 1.2 B. First equation. Next condition is B is 20% taller than N. A plus 20% of N, that makes 1.2 A. Second equation. So now from equation first and second, C will be 1.2 B minus B. Make it a single same one, 1.2 A minus A, that will be 0.2 B and that will be 0.2 A. So here we can make the same, substitute the B value here, 0.2 into 1.2 A, and that makes 0.24 A, and here it is 0.2 A. So obviously quantity A will gonna be greater than quantity B, so our answer choice will be A. Our next question is, Sue planted 4 times as many apple seed as she planted orange seed. 15% of the apple seed grew into trees. and 10% of the orange seed grew into tree. If a total 420 apple trees and orange trees grew from the seed, how many orange seed did the Sue plant? So we'll analyze the question first. See the first sentence. Sue planted 4 times as many apple seed as she planted orange seed. So that makes apple seed will be 4 times of orange seed. First equation. Next, 15% of the apple seed grow into tree. So 15% of A grew into a seed, that is 0.15 times of A, and 10% of orange seed, that will become 0.1 OR, and total 420 apple trees and orange trees grew from the seeds, that is 0.15 A plus 0.1 orange is 420. Then we have to find out how many orange seed. So substitute the A value from equation 1 here, that will become 0.15 into 4 times orange seed plus 0.1 OR is equal to 420. That will be 0.6 times OR plus 0.1 times OR 420, 0.7 OR orange 420, and orange seed will be 420 divided by 0.7, and answer will be 600. Our answer will be second option. Next question is, Gary is 3 times as old as Pat. So for column A, we have to find out Gary age 20 years ago, and column B, the Pat's age in 2 years. So from question, Gary is 3 times as old as Pat, 3P. So Gary age 20 years ago will be G minus 20, right? So Pat age in 12 years will be P plus 12. Substitute G value from equation 1 in column A, that will be 3P minus 20 and P plus 12. So add 20 on both sides, that will be 3P, and here P plus 32. Subtract P on both sides, so that will become 2P, and here 32. But we don't know the P value, right? What is the age of Pat? We don't know it. The relationship cannot determine between column A and B. That's why we choose option D. Our next question is, if the retailer price of a shirt is $R and the price including sales tax is $3, then the sales tax as a percent is what? So we have to find out the sales tax, right? So sales tax will be sales price including tax minus retail price divided by initial price is retail price into, make it onto percentage, 100. So that will be our equation to find out the sales tax value, which will be option last. Next question is, a helicopter company charges $85 for the first kilometer of a trip and $5 for every kilometer after that. So if the total cost of the trip is $365, how many kilometers were flown? So for first kilometer it charges $85. So we have to minus it, 365 minus 85, that will be $280. So this $85 includes 1 kilometer travel. So for remaining $280, we have to find out the number of kilometer. So we divide the each kilometer price, that is $5, and that will be 56 kilometer. So total value will be 56 plus 1, that become 57 kilometer. Answer will be option third. So here is our last question of this part. A certain essay consists of 15 paragraphs. Each paragraph contains at least 110 words, but not more than 120 words. Which of the following could be the total number of words in the essay? See, there are total 15 paragraphs. So for one paragraph, the minimum is 110 word and maximum is less than 120 word, right? So for 15 paragraph the minimum will be 110 into 15, 1650, but less than 120 into 15, that will be 1800. So we have to choose the value which is equal to or greater than 6050 and less than 1800. So our answer choice will be fourth option. So guys, this is the end of our chapter 5th of GRE Quant and second part of word problem. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and share this video to your friend circles and other group. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the upcoming videos. Till then, goodbye, take care and have a good day, and thank you so much for watching our video.